All right, guys, 2015 Chevy Tahoe, all decked out LTZ 5.3 Chevy Tahoe. Look at this beast. So what we got done on it, we got a factory converter there, another factory converter there, then it wires into a third factory converter. What we did is we wired it out right there, and then custom wide pipe duals, because you can't really dual these out unless you take the spare tire out because of the whole evap system here, guys, and here. With the evap system, it's really, really hard to be able to run the pipe from here and out without puncturing those wires, and it's all the evap system. So I recommend against it. What we did is we took that bad boy off, which is the spare tire, and ran it like this. As you guys can see, it's all hidden, tucked up. You won't see it from the ground. And then he also wanted it tucked and dumped. It's famous in Tennessee, where you can barely see the tip when it's on the ground. They call that a tuck and a dump, as you guys can see. And the only way we were able to tuck and dump it is to do it that way. So when you see it on the ground, all you'll see is the edge of the tips. You won't see anything else. Stay tuned, guys. We're about to let you guys hear it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you hit that notification bell, because Jared will get upset if you don't. And as you guys can see at the end, all you see is barely the tips at the bottom when it's nice on the ground. So that's what tucked and dumped is. Yeah. Look at that. Clean. Clean. All right. Go ahead, start it. And it gives it a different sound too. Bring it back. That sounds really nice. Sound decibels, right? Right at 102. Clean tone. You approve, Tanner?
I approve.
He approves. That you know there's something on it, but
yeah,
you know, but it's not obnoxious.
Yeah.
Let you guys hear it on the inside. Straight pipe. Got the slammed look on it. I like it. I like it. Nice. That was awesome. Enjoy, guys.